Okay, talk about the Shield. You guys, I mean, Dean Ambrose, yourself, Roman Reigns. Had you guys gelled or formed some type of relationship?
So Ambrose and myself, we were not buddies, but he came to FCW maybe 6 months after I got there. He had a parallel path on the Indies. We never crossed paths there. We never worked with each other, but we were both kind of top stars on the Indies at the same time. And so when he got there, the immediate thought was put him with Seth. Let's see what happens, you know? That, I think, is really where the NXT idea began because we started to have these matches, which were just light years, in my opinion, ahead of what FCW was doing at the time elsewhere. And it was kind of a forerunner to the style that NXT does now, where we were the athleticism, the pacing. It was leaps and bounds ahead of what was going on. So we got together and our chemistry was like that. You know, when you get in the ring with some guys, it's awful. It's like just, metal on metal. There's no oil. Some guys, it's just like butter, man. It's like you in another life knew each other somewhere. And Ambrose was like that. Our chemistry immediately was unreal. And because of the internet followings that we had gained, our matches started to kind of blow up a little bit. I think the people in charge started to see, oh, okay, maybe there's something to this fan base. Roman, on the other hand, was just an outlier. Obviously, part of a very prestigious family, passed the eye test, like you said, clearly. So they were banking on him from a potential perspective. But the three of us, outside of wrestling, we didn't really get together much. It wasn't like we were buds and like, okay, let's do this thing together.
Yeah.
We weren't like the Clique. Like we weren't, you know what I mean? It wasn't like that. We were just three guys that they wanted to use in some capacity and didn't know how to bring us up, and there was no idea that we were ever going to come up together.